Welcome back to this channel. It's been long we do this. So today, being 10th of November, I would like to go through the market to know what we have today, what we are looking at today using Gold Pay, because that is the one I normally trade. So using Gold Pay, we know what we are going to expect today on Gold Pay. So, but this will be during London session or New York session. It's only that time that we are going to determine our entry. But I would like to go live on, I would love going live on TikTok to take a trade live, because many people said trade live, trade live, trade live, but as for now I cannot do that on YouTube yet. So many people say trade live, trade live. If not this week or if not today, I would like to go, I'll start doing live entry on TikTok, so every other person can know how I take my trade. When it comes to this market, it is not certain on if the market is going to be a win or loss. The only thing we have power over is our loss. You should know how to control your risk. So whenever it comes to this business, you have to first, the only thing you should determine is your risks. What do I mean? If you are to risk, or if you are a Nigerian and you're certain about risking 50k, that's 50,000 naira of your account, if that will not shake you, then go ahead. If you are okay risking 100 200,000 per trade and that wouldn't be a problem, then go ahead. If you can risk 300,000 and if your babe show out, you can still take them out and act like nothing happened, then you are a trader, then you are capable of that risk. So whatever we are doing here, it's we are managing our risk. So you don't come here blindly and expect to cry to someone whenever you take a loss. So let's go to my gold chart. Let me show you guys what we have today. And secondly, after the analysis, if you've taken any trade using this very analysis that I'm going to drop today, you have to come here and your um share your loss or win. So let's get straight to the chart. So right here you can see, here is my 1 hour chart. Here is my 1 hour chart, and looking at this 1 hour right here, this market is going to the upside, meaning the market is breaking structure to the upside. Mind you, this is first day of the week. This is Monday, first day of the week. If you are an intra trader, being Monday or whatever would not have any difference. You should just come to the market, look for what it's your trading pattern, what your strategy is. If you see it, you take a trade. If it's a loss, fine. If it's a win, good. The only thing is you should know your targets daily or weekly or monthly. That's the only thing you should keep in mind. So on my 1 hour, the chart is bullish. Let me go back to 4 hour and see what the market has. So the network here is crazy. Give us time. Let me get rid of some stuff. Okay. On my H4 right here, you can see that the market is bullish as well. On my H4, the market is bullish as well. So whatever I'm doing today, whatever I'm doing, I'll consider a buy trade today during London session. If you are trading New York, fine. You are trading London, fine. Whatever session you choose to trade, if you are trading both, fine. But I focus on one so that I can know how to calculate my loss properly. I don't want to maybe I'm risking 2% of my account or 3% of my account, I cannot afford to risk 6% daily of a particular account. So I have to focus only on one trading session. So my H4 right here is bullish. My H4 is bullish, so I'll only take a bullish trade today. I'll only take a bullish trade. So therefore, let me go back to my 1 hour chart. Since 4 hours is telling me that the market is bullish, it's time for me to go back to my H1, and there's something I'm going to be looking for on my H1. So my H1 is telling me that the market as well is bullish. The market is bullish as well. So if this market, this market has already filled this imbalance right here. The market has already filled this imbalance right here. So let's look if there's another imbalance. Okay, we have another imbalance right here. So therefore, since this market is buying, at least our TP should be around here, meaning the market will come and clear this high, this very weeks right here, tap into this zone for us. So we have a place that this market, we have an institutional candle that will engineer this market to move upward. So if this market filled this gap, it may also take out all these liquidities up here. We have a lot of liquidities. We have this, we have this, we have this. All these multiple highs here are liquidity. So the market may clear this liquidity, thereby coming to fill all these imbalances. We have institutional candles right here that the market left it for another day. It left it for another weeks. So the market may fill all these imbalances above here. So today, I'll be expecting buys in this market. This is what I say. Let me quickly show it to you guys. So let's go to 30 minutes and M15. So the only thing is I'll just be folding my hands and wait till London open, which is an hour from now, or a few minutes from now, 50 something minutes from now, the London session will open. So right here is my 30 minutes. We have zones, we have structure breaks, which is right here. We have this structure breaks right here to the upside, and we have another structure breaks right here to the upside. For those that trade CRT candle, they will know what I'm talking about. But you don't have to come to this market and trade everything. So just pick one thing, make it your own. It may be whatever. Even supply and demand, it's a very sweet this thing strategy too. But you can be using everything. Like when I started this challenge, I'm using supply and demand, though I miss out of some trade that's supposed to be very, very good trade, but that doesn't matter. So we are still trading 100 USD account, and this is week 2. We don't have any entry that we have today. I'll document it today. Because I stay in this market. I have 3 hours to spend in the market whenever I want to take a trade. I have just 3 hours to spend in this market. So that is around, I'll be 8, 9, 10. Then after that time, I'm done with the market. I moved on to something else because I have a lot of things to handle. I have a lot of things, other stuff to channel my energy into. So this is what we have today. See, M15 still breaking structure to the upside, but all these imbalances right here, we have imbalance we have liquidities below here, and after those liquidity, we also have this imbalance right here. We have this imbalance before we can even talk about this horizon right here. So guys, this is what I say. Let me share it with you guys. So today we are expecting buys in this market. So if London session open, what I'll be expecting you to do, if London session open, we have a high here. So if this market tend to break to the upside, then we should be looking for a buy to the upside. It's as simple as this. So this is Aqua FX. If this is your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe. Subscribe. Your comments, your questions, also your questions are welcome. Also join my free Telegram channel if you haven't do so. Check the description of this video. You will see my free Telegram link. So yeah, that's all for now.